Hey everyone, Tejas here from the Wakelet team. So excited to have all of you here for one of our live streams. So we have some very exciting speakers who are going to be with us today from four different countries, and we're going to talk about multiple different topics. And yeah, very excited to see what all of you think of it and what you take away from it. But before, do keep that in mind. And finally, yeah, welcome to the live stream. And we're going to have our first speaker now, who's Krupali. So, hey, Krupali, how are you? I
Yeah,
think you
hello,
just have.
teachers. Yeah.
Hey,
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. I'm good. Thank you. How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing great. I'm excited to join today's session and spread the magic of Wakelet.
Awesome. No, we're very, very excited to have you on here. And so, just a little intro for everyone who doesn't know Krupali. Before I pass her on, she's actually part of one of our Wakelet schools, and she was, one of the pioneers of the Wakelet School program. Her school, so Utkam Public School and Satellite School, were one of the first ever Wakelet schools. So, very, very excited to have you on here, Krupali. And I'm going to pass it over to you to talk to everyone about Wakelet and remote learning. So, over to you.
Thank you so much, teachers. Namaskar. I'm Trupali Sangvi from India, and as I've got the introduction that we are the first batch of Wakelet school in India, and probably from 2019 I have been using Wakelet effectively in my classroom. So I would quickly share my screen and would like to share with you all the amazing journey we had with Wakelet, and let us all together spread and feel the magic of Wakelet in remote learning. So I hope my screen is shared. And yes, let's have what we can do with Wakelet in remote learning. I know I've got just 20 minutes and 20 things to talk on. So I'll be a little bit quicker with the screen. And yes, obviously, my name is Kripali Sangvi. That's it. Before I start, I would like to give a short profile view. I'm a Wakelet ambassador from Udgam School for Children, India. I've trained more than 10,000 educators globally, as well as in my own countries from various states on the national level webinars. I'm also a national awardee teacher for using ICT for innovation, closely working as a resource person, Microsoft certified educator, master trainer, and I promote artificial intelligence and various technologies into my classroom, making my classroom a better place for my students to learn, relearn, and rethink. So let's begin and bring up back the excitement into the education. I know we have all been special warriors in this education community right now because of the pandemics, and somehow we have learned, and all of us have adapted to Microsoft Teams, Zoom, Google Meet, classrooms, and we've started off with online classroom. But today I'm going to share about how we can put more excitement into education system. So yes, talking about the magic of Wakelet and remote learning, I want to discuss today three topics. The first topic is interactivity. Yes, when I say interactivity, I mean to say interactivity in the form of assignments and assessments. Record keeping, a lot of records have to be maintained, and in and out through WhatsApp or through some social media contact, we are sharing the content between parents, teachers, and educators. So I think this record keeping also matters a lot. Building skills, that's the art integrated learning projects or the interdisciplinary integrated projects across the classroom. I think I want to discuss about the same. So let us start about the interactivity and remote learning into the classroom. The first thing I want to discuss today is how we can integrate Wakelet with Microsoft Teams. I know when I talk about Microsoft Teams, probably we run into a lot of thoughts with our favorite MS Teams. It's on all-in-one platform for education, and this is my class 10th A, wherein I am a computer science teacher. So I've clicked on my computer applications channel. Now let's see how I have used Wakelet in my classroom. So you can see there is a tab over here, which is class 10 computer applications tab. And what was missing, what I found into my classroom was students were not able to express themselves. So to make my students express themselves properly, I asked them in the initial year to write their blogs, to write down all their feelings into the form of blogs. So this was the blog project which we can see over here. I'll just quickly expand the tab and show you. So we can see beautifully expressed by my students in their Wakelet collection blogs on lockdown, World Heritage City, and this one is a very special blog by for wishing somebody a happy birthday, and especially when it's your mom. You have a lot of things to be said. So in the form of blog, my children have expressed that life in the lockdown, gaming, e-sport, and the 256 items were collected at one single place. Now, the idea was not only about the data collection, but the idea was about every year I used to give this blog project, a lot of mails coming into my mailbox, and probably those mails I need to segregate, save all the links into an Excel file, and a lot of tasks. But when I asked my students this time to just open this Wakelet link and post their blog URL over there, the work becomes easier. I can just go and scroll about who has done which type of blog. I can just click on the blog URL, evaluate it there and then itself. So this is how I have immediately, you can see this is a mango delight recipe with my students have done. And probably, yes, the best thing about all of these blogs is this blogs, all of the blogs are original. When I say original, this the work which is done is by my students. The articles which they have written is also right directly from their heart. So this was a very special project which I asked in 2020 for my students to do it, and the same thing continues in 2021. So to integrate Microsoft Teams, to integrate Wakelet with Teams, there are three options. One is you can integrate it within your classrooms. You can just go to your class, you can go to any channel and just put a plus icon there, and there you will search for Wakelet and you can paste the URL of your Wakelet collection over there. So this is as easy as anybody could do. So just now you can see I have added a Wakelet link over there, and I can paste the URL over here. So that URL once pasted, my blog is attached. The second thing what we can do is even now with the latest update during the class meeting, you can add the Wakelet collection over there. So that's how beauty of Microsoft Teams and Wakelet. Now let's get back to the magic of Wakelet with Flipgrid. Amazing. Flipgrid, learning loves community, but here I would like to quote for Flipgrid and Wakelet that we as community love both of the tools. So let me show you how in a project, this is my collection and I am a fan of spaces. As you can see, I have collected every data and organized it with various spaces and the amazing GIF. Yesterday I came to know about GIF and I've started using this amazing GIF in the form of the cover images. So this is a spaces where it's a general one wherein whatever I come across, I put it over here, whether it's an Earth Day mid photograph or whether it's my own portfolio, I just keep it in the general area. But to make it more organized, I have made so many spaces. So let me just show you the spaces. So this is a secondary section spaces. Let's get into this and see what I've done in the spaces. Yeah, this is my computer application class and you can see class 10th blog submission. So this is how I have asked this year my students to participate again with the blog writing project. And you can see you over here 980 views. And you know, when students themselves see this views, they are more enthusiastic and creative about it. The ones who have not submitted will definitely start working on it. So this year also we've got beautiful blogs on abhorrence, communication skills, and students are talking about adopt, don't shop, and they have shown the examples from their own homes. So it's lovely. The blog projects given into the classroom when it comes to one space, I think it's amazing. The second thing I want to show up is there are few students in your classroom who are very innovative. So I have created an innovators group. Now this innovators group have 19 members over here, the students who innovate and make difference. So I've created the AI resources separately, a collection for them. As you can see, they have been working for AI for Good challenge this year for Microsoft and education. The Imagine Cup Junior reference link. So this is how the students can also create their own collections into the spaces, and they have collated all the information. You can see that. Beautiful. When they were discussing on the project, when they wanted some resources, they utilized this Innovators Club area and they started up collating. And how could I forget to talk about the Wakelet School program? We have with the Wakelet School, and I would like to quickly draw your attention towards what we are doing as a Wakelet School. So you can also start collating all your Wakelet School work in a more organized way. So let's click on the Wakelet School, and here we are. So this is the Wakelet School project wherein we are Wakelet School ambassadors from Udgam School for Children, Ahmedabad, India, Gujarat. And yes, there are ambassadors from Satellite School for Children also with me. And you can see how beautifully we have used Flipgrid, wherein my friends Shivani, Najuk, and Kranti, they are the Wakelet community leaders, and they have shared their own Wakelet review about themselves.
Hi, I'm Shivani. I'm a proud community.
So she's a proud community leader, yes, obviously. And we can see Najuk Shah has also uploaded the video and Kranti Mehta also over there. So likewise, we can even ask our students to upload their own video responses, introducing themselves into the classroom. So not only this, as a Wakelet School program, we have created a Wakelet School. We've taken a lot of events generated at Wakelet School for training teachers. And yes, we can see Michael on the screen, teachers on the screen over there. And we had an amazing session on Wakelet with the primary section teachers over there. And likewise, so I've collated each and every data at one place. So whenever I have to submit anything, I'm there. So this is a USFC, that is Udgam School for Children. And this is our main collection, which you can, if you want, we could share the link as a template, how Wakelet School has compiled collections within collections, as you can see over here. This is date wise. We have said that we did it on 10th October. There was a first session where James was there with us. And then we had the another session. We have even completed the Wakelet courses, all of this training sessions, everything. And even I had with beautiful Anna, we had a session on Wakelet for the educators across the country. And these are some of the sneak peeks of the same. And yes, my student ambassadors. Let me show you the profile of the student ambassadors too. Now, as soon as I have started off with the student ambassadors program, in order to collate their work at one place, and that is how I have given a score space to my students. They can upload anything, their Wakelet task, and these are few of the tasks. Let's click on Krishna's class and let's see what she has done in her portfolio. So Wakelet within Wakelet, yeah, that's one of my favorite too. I always love to use Wakelet within Wakelet, and you can see she has completed all the 6 to 7 tasks of her Bollywood, all about her and everything within the Wakelet collections. So that was all about the student collections. Let's get very quickly and see what other things I have done with the Wakelet collections. Showing you the spaces, as I told you, spaces is one of my favorite to organize more work. Now let me talk about some of the community initiatives which we have taken. The first of the project was hashtag East for Peace on values and empathy. That project took place between 4 of the schools across the country, India, and we utilized this core space to initiate various campaigns like Love for Humanity, Stop Bullying, etc., and wherein the students took so many trainings across the country for the teachers. Now, this was very much amazing to see when our students were prepared themselves for teaching on Microsoft Teams and accessibility tools to the teachers of a school in Bhopal, Sanskar Valley International School in Bhopal, and you can see the students are training, Udgam school students are training teachers. I think that was the amazing use of Wakelet and Flipgrid, in fact, with Microsoft Teams. We were able to achieve this. The same thing goes like a lot of campaign on via global collaborators. We are innovative designers, and I would like to showcase this work by Sanskar Valley School, wherein we collaborated for the campaign Stop Bullying, wherein girls have given their voice in the form of podcasting videos, podcasting audios, and beautiful videos at one place. So this was my journey of hashtag eSports. Not only this, how could we forget game-based learning? Game-based learning, when I'm talking about, we had a global campaign on creating teaching aids with the help of students, and we introduced campus on judgment event. This was been judged by Steve Sherman from South Africa. A single link to this particular Wakelet helped me to share the work of my students across the country to Steve Sherman and Anna to see what students are doing and how they were doing. So we have shared all this judgment event was took place wherein students shared their games, and the games were like word wall, Minecraft, quizzes, and number of games. As we can see, they have used Kahoot, but here we wanted students to be innovators, not the teachers. So students made a big difference by creating all that games, and even you see your review matters, wherein we have taken a review from the students, parents, as well as from the global community on how this particular event on EduCampus K2JEG children like. So you can see we have got Flipgrid integrated with Wakelet, amazing thing. Like I love the way I was able to connect students across the world talking about EduCampus K2JEG. So this was a few of my initiatives which were outside the box, outside your classroom, how you could utilize it when you have to collaborate between 2 or 3 schools across the country. And the last one, yes, before I go and show you a beautiful one, that's the portfolio building. Everybody of us are amazing with our work. And yes, this is my last slide, which says, I'm sure you all have that awesome factor. I started up my journey on computer science educator in 2007, wherein in this within this 10, 15 years, I've made a big difference in my journey. And to compile that journey, entire journey, I have never thought of. It was Wakelet Community Impact Award, which gave me an opportunity to collate my work into the form of a beautiful collection. You can see here, I have stated this cover image, the description of my portfolio. And if you load down, you can even use this bold italic, underline all these features to highlight the important events you are doing. A Flipgrid video to introduce yourself. I'll quickly play this. Namaskar. I'm Kipali. So you can see I have used this flip. Okay, I will. Okay, I'll not play this. I'll just keep it like this. This is a Flipgrid video for introduction. Then there was 2021. How did I use this year as a challenging year? So for that, I separately created a Wakelet collection and embedded that particular portfolio into this one. And here this year, I was, as I mentioned earlier, I trained more than 10,000 educators globally as well as on a national level with the help of NCIT, NCRT. I'm thankful to Government of India for providing us the opportunity to empower educators with ICT tools. So these are some of the reviews by the National ICT awardees, and this is my training portfolio. You can see over here. So I don't have to look forward and go to edutrack.microsoft.com and check whether the thing is there. I can get everything at one place. Even as you can see the newspaper articles about our work which was being published, anything or everything. This is the students who feel that yes, the time was challenging and how a teacher made a difference into the classroom. So that's the review of a student. This is my alumni student who want to talk about the work we were doing into the classroom. And there goes the portfolio with all the newspaper articles, badges, certifications, and everything. So this was only about 2020, but if you go and see the depth of the thing, you can compile your badges, certificates. I hope I am running on time and I'm not late for this. Let me just finish with the last thing. Just a minute. Yeah. So I will quickly show you like this only. So this is Udgam School Innovative Practices, which is again embedded into the main portfolio. These are news and social media impact. This is reviews, badges and certifications. If you can see here, it's a message to the community about what content I have created, how I have served as a resource person, the global level collaboration, all my certificates at one place, and as a national ICT awardee, what I have done in the community, achievement and awards. So a particular portfolio, as you can see right now, this portfolio of community initiative, everything I've created for myself. But the same thing we can propose for each child. Now, this portfolios, how do a portfolio help us? A portfolio always help us to make a difference in case of remedial learning. Like if you maintain the portfolio of your students every year, then probably you will have a chance to recheck what the child is learning, what is left out, and how you can work more on that particular child. So as you can see here, I have collated the last achievements, whatever the last achievement was Educator Exchange event worldwide, wherein hashtag East for Peace was the winner of that project. So we have compiled everything. I remember that if anybody wanted to ask me, ma'am, where is that article which was published in the newspaper, I was always searching between files and folders. So when I got to see Wakelet, you can see even my Twitters, all the tweets which I do on Twitter, I can compile at one place, and now I have beautifully maintained my portfolio with all the news media articles and even all the achievements, even the links where this particular news are being published from whatsoever website it has been published. We have done it at one place. So I think that was very super quick for all of you that I'm running fast. But as I told, 20 minutes, 20 things to talk about. So that's one of the project Udgam School, and this is my school where we are working, and this is how we have transformed the education system with Microsoft in Education as well as Wakelet School. So
Wow,
this is how effectively.
That's absolutely amazing. Thank you so much for this, Krupali. I mean, I found some of your points really inspiring, especially the fact of how your whole school is sort of coming together to use Wakelet and showcase all the learning that's happening, hand in hand with the platform. I think that's why we created the Wakelet Schools program, and to see it actually, do what it was meant to do is very, very nice. And also to see, some of your points about how Wakelet and Microsoft Teams can be used together was really inspiring. I think to sort of allow your students to express themselves better with Wakelet and Teams is such a powerful message for all of the users over here who've joined us, who use Wakelet and Teams, or perhaps who use Microsoft Teams but don't know of the Wakelet app and Teams. So I'd highly recommend checking that out. But yeah, I mean, as a final sort of point, the question that I had was, are there any other exciting projects you have planned going forward with your school for how you can use Wakelet? That'd be really nice to hear.
Yeah, definitely. We had an annual quality conference this year, and we were in our school. I must say that our managing director, executive director, Mr. Choksy, Manan Choksy, sir, is always pro about using technology at its best. So this year only in the annual quality conference, we have been asked to create portfolios of the teachers. So I think Wakelet is the best place where we could create a course spaces for Udgam School, and we could ask all the teachers to join as a part of that spaces and add their own portfolio. That will help the school to get the teacher evaluation process easily. And as per the national education policy coming up, so those who are joining me today from India, they would definitely agree to the point that yes, we have to build portfolios for students, teachers, and as well as for the school to register ourselves or to evaluate for the evaluation process by the Central Board of Secondary Education. So I think that spaces would definitely help us. And even I have recently learned about accounts, how to add students into our admin accounts. So yeah, definitely I would like to work out for that also. And my last message to the community is please take care that innovation begins from your classroom. Yeah. So if you're planning to innovate something, if you're planning to make difference in your life, I think I started off with my classroom with a small puppet show of the parts of computer. Everybody was laughing that how could the parts of computer be used as puppet show into a computer class? I said, no, it can be. Let's make a difference. So I think bringing up that small differences into your classroom and using these tools, I think when we met in 2019, me and Tejas at EduDays India, so we never thought that Wakelet could be such interesting and we could be using it all over the school. Right now, all the teachers, almost 250 teachers from Udgam School, as well as 100 teachers from Satellite School for Children are proactively using Wakelet. So thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to talk about Wakelet to this amazing community. Stay safe, take care.
Thank you so much, Krupali. That was really inspiring to hear, all the ways in which Krupali and her school use Wakelet. And next